Way Too Nappy TV. We out here with J Biz, you feel me? In front of his food trucks, Fuji's on wheels, man. It's LIP Independence, man. How you been? How you doing?
I'm good, my man. You know the Liberian spirit, the energy, the vibration. I just love it.
Yeah, it's going crazy. It's going crazy now. This is my first time seeing you on wheels. Where can people find you on wheels at?
So basically, this is like a new project we launching, right? So we want people to let us know where you want us to come.
Okay.
Like we want to bring the food on the block to you. We want to take this good Liberian food to people now because everybody don't really know about this greatness when it comes to how good Liberian food, one of the best food, not even in Africa, in the whole entire world.
Nah, man, his restaurant has been on the news. You feel me? It's in Africa. The food is great. I'm telling y'all. And if y'all already know, Liberian people cooking great, and his mother and the whole team over there, they do their thing and they cook very good. So make sure you'll check them out and tag on their Instagram. Where can they find you at?
So Fuji's _ restaurant.
Okay.
My Instagram, I am J Biz, and you know, just tap in with us, man. Big up to my boy for what he's doing for this nice little platform. Big up to the cameraman.
Way Too Nappy TV.
Big up to
All right.
Nappy.
Now it's LIB Independent. So, oh yeah, they got their stuff right here. Follow their stuff right there, the numbers. But it is LIB Independent. So, what does being LIB mean to you?
So being Liberian means everything to me because that's where I'm from. That's my identity. That's who I am. So you know how people want to ask you when people are in America, they're like, "Where you from?" People say, "Oh, I'm from Jersey, Philly." I say I'm from Liberia.
Liberia, yeah.
And they be like, "Oh, you don't live in Liberia, you live in America." Now I live in Philadelphia, but I'm from Liberia.
Yeah.
That's what I am. I'm a Liberian.
So that's what we do. All right, man. Way Too Nappy TV. I'm gonna catch you the whole weekend. You know we let, and most definitely gonna get that food, and I'm gonna do a test for y'all, and y'all gonna see it in the video.
Definitely.
Way Too Nappy TV. We out.
Love.